Betco, the name to count on for better resources in chemicals, equipment, programs, process, and achieving continuously better results for over 50 years. Betco, creating better resources for facilities maintenance professionals. Betco Resources and Process Management Training Library, expanding competencies for cleaning professionals.
We all have had the unfortunate experience of using a restroom that has not been properly cleaned or maintained. Whether it's unfilled towel dispensers, missing toilet paper, no soap, or foul odors, a neglected restroom can be an unpleasant experience for people and a bad impression for your facility. That is why restroom sanitation is one of the most important responsibilities of your job. A clean and disinfected restroom reduces the spread of infection and disease. It encourages better personal hygiene, ensures a healthier environment, and leaves a good impression of the facility and your department. This training module, which is one in the Betco Resource and Process Management, or RPM Library Series, focuses on procedures and recommendations for proper restroom sanitation. The module will cover safety, preparation, daily cleaning procedures, periodic detail cleaning procedures, and cleanup. Betco has over 300 specialty cleaning products and a full line of equipment and accessories. We recommend the following Betco top-to-bottom cleaning system for restroom sanitation: Deep Blue Ammoniated Glass and Surface Cleaner, Sherbet Foaming Heavy-Duty Restroom Cleaner for showers, tubs, and stainless steel fixtures, Glybet Disinfectant Spray, Winning Hands Premium Antibacterial Hand Cleaner, AF79 Concentrate, acid-free cleaner and deodorant for toilets, urinals, and other hard, non-porous surfaces. Stix ready-to-use thick acid cleaner for periodic cleaning of porcelain toilet bowls and urinals. AF315 neutral pH disinfectant deodorant for restroom and shower room floors. Quatstat broad-spectrum disinfectant, excellent for meeting the OSHA bloodborne pathogen standard. pH7 all-purpose neutral cleaner for vents and light fixtures. Push enzymatic digester for drains. GR15 graffiti remover. And GS15 grout scrubber machine for grouted and textured floors. Before beginning with any cleaning task, be sure that you fully understand how to use the chemicals and equipment required for the job. It's mandated by OSHA that every employee has a right to know about the possible chemical hazards within their workplace. A material safety data sheet, commonly called an MSDS, will provide information regarding the chemicals within your building. Read and understand the MSDS, as well as the product label for every product that you use. Your supervisor will show you where to find your MSDS information and will also help you to read and understand each sheet. Be careful not to use cleaning chemicals on any surface for which they are not intended. Be especially cautious when using acid cleaners. Never mix chemicals. It could cause serious or even fatal injury. Wear the proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, to protect yourself from exposure to cleaning chemicals. Gloves and a mask or goggles will prevent chemical splashes from coming into contact with your skin and eyes. Practice universal precautions when cleaning any blood or body fluid spills or soiled materials that could contain these or other potentially infectious substances. Refer to OSHA's bloodborne pathogen standards for more information. Betco provides a bloodborne pathogen training module within the RPM Training Library series. When preparing for restroom cleaning, first review the supply checklist, then begin to set up the cart with all supplies that will be needed, such as soap and paper dispenser refills, cloths, bowl mops, and other proper cleaning equipment. A supply checklist can be found on the CD and workbook that accompany this training video. Load the cart with all the properly labeled cleaners that will be needed. Be sure that the correct dilution rates are used according to manufacturer's recommendations. A chemical management system ensures that dilution rates are correct and makes your job faster and easier. Display the proper caution signs to warn of wet floors and close the restrooms to patrons before beginning to clean. Begin restroom cleaning by addressing daily cleaning procedures. Remember these 3 rules when cleaning a restroom. First, always clean top to bottom. Second, clean from dry to wet. And third, work toward the exit door. As you know, commodes and urinals can be tough and unpleasant to clean. By applying the proper disinfectant to the bowls ahead of time, your job will be less troublesome with cleaner results. First, flush each unit. This is done to ensure that the unit is free of contamination and determine if it's working properly. Report any damage or malfunctioning units to your supervisor or maintenance department. It is good practice to backflush commodes before cleaning. Do this by inserting the bowl mop several times into the bowl throat, forcing the water up and over the bowl trap. This eliminates the water in the bowl, allowing more surface to be cleaned and less dilution of the cleaner. For urinals, remove debris with your gloves on and place the urinal screen on a paper towel while you clean. Apply a disinfectant solution such as AF79 or Quatstat to the interior and exterior surfaces of all urinals and commodes. Let it stand and move on to dry cleaning. Practicing the top-to-bottom rule, begin by using a long-handled high duster to remove dust from ceiling corners, wall vents, top of partitions, door frames, window sills, light fixtures, and any other high area that may gather dust. This can be done once or twice a week. Empty all trash receptacles and disposal units for sanitary napkins. Spray the receptacles with disinfectant spray, such as Glybet. Remove the contents and replace the liners. Never compress the trash, and always be careful of sharp objects that may be sticking out of the liners. Check the soap dispenser and refill when necessary. Winning Hands Premium Antibacterial Hand Cleaner is one of the many hand cleaners available in the Betco hand care line. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for opening, filling, and securing each different type of soap dispensing unit. Clean the exterior of the soap dispensers with a damp cloth and a disinfectant solution. If necessary, remove any buildup around the delivery area. Allow it to air dry. Unlock the dispenser and refill the paper towels. When opening, be careful not to let it fall open, which could cause injury and a mess. Replace and add more towels as needed to fill the unit. For trifold towels, be sure to place them folded side down and to interlock the new towels with the old. Try not to overfill because it makes them hard to pull out. Check to make sure they release easily. Close and lock the dispenser, making sure it is secure. Damp wipe the outside of the towel dispenser or the hand dryer with a disinfectant solution and allow it to air dry. Unlock the dispensers for the toilet tissue holders. Remove the roll and damp wipe the inside of the holder to remove any paper dust using a disinfectant solution. Install a new roll of tissue. Be sure the roll unwinds over the tip of the roll and not from underneath. This allows it to be pulled out more easily and avoids unrolling and wasting the product. Close and relock the dispenser. Damp wipe the outside of the dispenser with disinfectant solution. Restock any other dispenser units in the restroom such as tampons or toilet seat covers. Damp wipe the units with disinfectant solution. Report any equipment, including dispensers that look damaged or do not work properly, to your supervisor. Dust mop the floor starting at the farthest corner and working toward the door. Collect the dirt with a dustpan and place it in the proper trash receptacle. Continue with the daily cleaning procedures by starting the wet cleaning. Clean sinks by first using a paper towel to remove any hair or debris. Spray disinfectant inside of the sink and exterior surfaces, including all metal handles, faucets, and the plumbing until covered. Allow the product to stand for at least 10 minutes for proper disinfection. Wipe using a clean cloth or sponge. Clean mirrors and glass surfaces. Spray glass cleaner such as Betco's Deep Blue from the bottom to the top. Using a clean cloth, wipe the surface from the top to bottom to prevent streaking. Be careful how you use your damp cloths or sponges. Avoid using the same cloth for cleaning the commode, the mirrors, and the sink. This reduces the risk of cross-contamination. Spot clean with disinfectant solution to remove any stains and dirt from walls and switches. Make sure to spray the cleaner on the cloth or sponge when cleaning light switches or fixtures. Now that the disinfectant has had ample contact time, you can continue cleaning the commodes and urinals. Clean the inside of the commode with a bowl mop, paying close attention to the underside of the flush rim. This prevents the accumulation of bacteria that can spread disease and create unpleasant odors. Flush to rinse the bowl. Use the clean water to rinse your bowl mop. Flush again. Wipe down the exterior surfaces of the fixture with a clean cloth. Damp wipe all the flush handles and all other chrome. Allow the disinfectant to air dry. Use an acid bowl cleaner such as Stix to descale the flush rim once a week. Remove water by back flushing with a bowl mop. Saturate the mop with the cleaner and wet all surfaces thoroughly. Rinse by flushing. Only use acid bowl cleaner on the interior of the bowl and never on the seat. Acid residue could cause harm to skin. For urinals, use a bowl mop and wash the pre-sprayed disinfectant from the top to the bottom. Replace the urinal screen. When cleaning tubs and showers, first remove all gross soils. Apply a tub and shower disinfectant, such as Sherbet, to the walls and the floors of a tiled shower stall. Be sure to read the label for dilution recommendations. Thoroughly wet all surfaces, including the door tracks, doors, walls, soap dish, faucets, and shower head. Allow approximately 10 minutes of contact time. Wipe with a non-abrasive scrub pad or sponge. Rinse thoroughly. Always use a non-acid disinfectant on fixtures. Acid disinfectants are highly corrosive. Follow manufacturer's recommendations for fiberglass showers. Dry all surfaces carefully to prevent slips and falls. Put a final touch where people touch to the entire restroom. Spray Glybet on the handles of urinals, toilet seats, doors, and towel dispensers as a final precaution to reduce cross-contamination. Wet mop the floor with a disinfectant solution such as AF315 or Quatstat, starting from the farthest corner of the room working toward the exit door. Go along the baseboards first to keep them from getting splashed. Apply the solution from the mop bucket moderately with special attention given to toilet areas, urinals, and sinks. Be sure to change the solution once it becomes visibly diluted or contaminated with soil, or at least every 3 restrooms, regardless of visible contamination. Special cleaning requires detail procedures. Certain things like cleaning stains from the grout need to be done approximately once per month. Others, like cleaning ceilings and walls, are done approximately once per year. To clean higher fixtures such as lights or vents, wipe down with neutral cleaner such as Betco's pH 7 all-purpose neutral cleaner. Spray and wipe the insides of trash and sanitary napkin receptacles with disinfectant when they become visibly soiled. Remove any graffiti with a product specifically designed for graffiti removal, such as Betco's GR15. Be sure to read the label before using the product. Cleaning grout on tile floors needs to be done periodically and requires special equipment. Scrub the grout using a grout scrubbing machine. There are many Betco products that would work effectively in our GS15V grout scrubber. AF315 or Quatstat would tackle the job well. If you notice odor coming from restroom or shower drains, use an enzymatic drain maintainer, such as Push. Use the product a minimum of 2 times weekly to a maximum of 4 times to maintain drains. Read label for recommended procedure and dosage. When finished with all necessary procedures and all surfaces are dry, remove posted signs. Wash all equipment thoroughly and properly discard mop bucket solutions when cleaning is completed at the end of the day. Be sure to practice good safety precautions, such as understand product labels and MSDS sheets. Wear the proper personal protection equipment. Follow OSHA's bloodborne pathogen standard with regard to blood and body fluid cleanup. Post caution signs before cleaning. Review your supply checklist and stock your cart. Know your daily procedures and the routine in which to perform them. Remember these 3 rules when cleaning and disinfecting a restroom. Always clean top to bottom. Clean from dry to wet. Work toward the exit door. Know your detail and periodic cleaning procedures and when to perform them. Be sure to always clean up and wash your equipment at the end of your shift or at the end of a workday. Report any damage or non-functioning dispensers, fixtures, or equipment to proper personnel. The job that you do is very important to the image of your facility and to the well-being of the people who come through the doors every day. Be proud of the skills you're developing and know that you truly make a difference in creating a safe, clean, and healthy environment.